In DMT, which is pretty much, everyone thinks this is the big alien contact, the highest psychedelic you can get. And it was Metzger forced me to try it one night, and I did sit for like 3 hours with a pipe. Went, no way, no fucking way. But it's exactly what you promised. It's exactly what Terence McKenna said, and everybody seems to go to the same place. There's a kind of space, a vaulted space. It's enclosed, but somehow feels infinite. It's filled with moving parts. It has structures that change shape, and there's a lot of information being exchanged constantly. There's voices, there's meaning. And I thought that was maybe me going to the seventh dimension until I read what the interior of the cell looks like in the human body. And a cell is like a bag of water filled with proteins which go super fast and exchange things and copy things and talk to each other and transmit. The cell has walls, it's bounded, but it probably feels infinite if you're one of the millions of proteins that are in there. And it's an exact description of the DMT world. So I'm beginning to wonder if there isn't just more to do with who we are, what we're doing here, these bodies. And it's not about the entities that are trying to talk to us are the things inside, and they're trying to show their processes and the way they look at the world. And deep inside that cell, you also have strings of mitochondrial DNA, which is a singularly interesting object because mitochondrial DNA goes back 3.5 billion years to the first life in the oceans. And the mitochondrial DNA that's in all of our cells is the same animal, right? We are literally connected by that. It's the same thing. So even if you want to talk about things like action at a distance, telepathy, it can all be looked at as mitochondrial DNA communicating. I should actually technically be able to communicate with your mind right now through the strands of DNA that connect us.